Hi, welcome back to Knives and Frocks. Today we're going to start a little mini-series on vegetables, how to get the best ingredients when you're shopping for produce, and some cooking techniques that will give you that extra special flavour. So today we're going to talk Brussels sprouts. Now we all love those deep fried ones that they serve in restaurants, but we're going to make a little healthier version and roast them in the oven, which is equally as delicious. So let's talk veggies. This recipe was inspired by a Belgian beer restaurant in downtown LA called Little Bear. If you're ever down there, go check them out. The farro salad is to die for. So, I could lay out all my ingredients in fancy little bowls for you, but one, I hate measuring, and two, I really encourage you to just drizzle things on and see how it turns out. A good ratio to always remember is 1 part vinegar to 2 parts olive oil. Today you're going to need a large baking sheet and some parchment paper, or I use these reusable silicone mats. They're great for easy cleanup and they go in the dishwasher. I got mine at Costco, but I'm going to leave the Amazon link below. So for this recipe, you'll need some extra virgin olive oil. Remember, you can taste the quality in your ingredients, so don't go cheap on the olive oil. Always get extra virgin, get cold press if you can, and make sure it's not mixed with any other oils. Some balsamic vinegar, some seasoning salt. I love a good old classic Lawry's or this Cajun seasoning from Louisiana Fish Fry, some fresh ground pepper, some chopped hazelnuts, or leave those out if you have an allergy, some crushed red pepper, and some Parmesan flakes to garnish at the end. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit and then cut the ends off the Brussels sprouts and cut them into either halves or quarters. You want to peel off the layers as much as you can because those are going to be the bits that get nice and crispy. Then spread them out evenly across the pan so that they roast evenly. Drizzle on a decent amount of olive oil across the pan, but not so they're swimming in it, and then add about half as much balsamic vinegar. Season well with your seasoning salt and pepper, and then sprinkle on the chopped hazelnuts, the crushed red pepper, and then pop it in the oven on the top shelf. Cook them for 20 minutes and then take them out, toss them around, and spread them out evenly again. Pop them back in, checking them every 10 minutes to see how crispy they are at the edges and making sure they don't burn. It could be 10 minutes, it could be 20, that'll depend on your oven. Once they're nice and crispy at the edges, take them out, spread the Parmesan flakes across them while they're piping hot so they get nice and melted and it's ready to serve. I hope you love these. Tag me in your posts when you make them at Knives and Frocks on Instagram and subscribe to our channel at Ware Media.